The Senate faces a storm of ethics complaints, and this time the spotlight shines on Senator J.V. Ejercito himself. We hear the report from Luisa Erispe as the committee just taking shape promises only the strongest cases will make it to the hot seat.
An ethics complaint has been filed by a lawyer against the chair of the Senate Committee on Ethics himself, Senator J.V. Ejercito. The complaint cites gross neglect of duty due to his alleged failure to act on a complaint against his colleague, Senator Cheese Escudero, regarding a 30 million peso campaign donation last 2022. The said donation was reportedly received from Lawrence Lubiano, the president of Centerways Construction. However, Senator J.V. Ejercito defended his position, stating that he did not intentionally neglect the complaint. According to him, the committee has not yet been fully constituted as there are no members to conduct the hearings. Furthermore, the schedule was tight due to recent budget deliberations, the bicameral meetings, and the adjournment of the session.
Nagkaroon ng change in leadership, so the ethics committee was the chair and the members were vacant. I was appointed or designated October already, a day before kami mag-adjourn. So there was no more time for the ethics committee to be constituted. Budget hearings na and then BICAM, di ba? So there was no plenary session anymore para mabasa ang members ng ethics committee. Kaya hindi pa siya formally constituted.
He added the committee is currently being formed, after which they will commence the hearings on the complaint.
Be part of the agenda by Tuesday or Wednesday or in the coming days, no? So yun na lang po inaantay natin. Yung minority kasi isa pa lang po ang nominee, no? We have already completed on the part of the majority the composition of the members of the ethics committee.
As of now, there are 5 to 6 ethics complaints pending before the committee, including the complaint filed against Senator Ejercito himself. The senator assured that only complaints supported by sufficient evidence will follow through.
Once constituted, we will have an organizational meeting, no? Elect the members, set the rules, the procedures, and we'll also determine kung ano yun yung may grounds sa mga na-file. Hindi naman lahat yan talaga may di ba? Enough grounds. So, yun po, siguro that will be, and we will decide later on kung ano yung itutuloy at ano yung hindi itutuloy na complaint. Kung ano po yung talaga merong ebidensya, enough evidence or enough grounds for it to be to continue.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.